I think there are two key things that are particularly important in terms of technology and innovation for the fourth industrial revolution. One is advanced materials, and the other is industrial digital technologies, and that is big data, industrial Internet of Things, data analytics, additive manufacturing, and those sorts of things. And the way I see it, it's a little bit like the new materials are the steel of the second industrial revolution, and the big data and the digital is like the steam and the electricity of the first and the second industrial revolutions. And so it's that data and the power of it that we really need to harness in this fourth industrial revolution. One of the areas that really excites me in that is the whole area of digital twinning and simulation, which goes into virtual and augmented reality. That is being able to simulate physical processes totally in a virtual, but actually it's so close to the real world that you don't need to model it in the real world before you actually apply it. And now take that forward into that physical asset you've created virtually. You've now built it physically, but you've got a digital twin for the whole life cycle. And you think about the possibilities in terms of operational efficiency, in terms of servicing that asset throughout its lifetime. And these are massive productivity improvement opportunities.